p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles northwest of Claflin, moving southwest at 15 miles per hour. You can expect 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. The warning was based on radar indications. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Claflin around 5:25 p.m. Other locations in the path of the severe thunderstorm include Hoisington,